under the rim, dunk. If somebody comes here, winning by 20, now 14, Tengo que poner a Ricky antes porque no sabemos cerrar el partido o qué.
Llama el cambio antes. Cerca di andare dietro sul cambio. Lo tiene che llamar pronto. Quando ya estamos aquí, pero tu sai che manca 5-6 secondi, non lo pensare, hai un po' staccato, ok?
Vicar, but the key is that we are not doing the rule in defense, and we cannot run.
Usa conclusion, aggressive defense, hey, confident.
I try to explain again. One more time, If they are, especially the number 00 or number 8, as last one player, and we take advantage, and we pass the ball, they go as crazy to steal. If you pass the ball in a bounce way, even more. If you fake, and pass the ball there, we shoot alone. You can choose.
We need to finish to the ring with decisiveness or to pass the ball for open challenge. This is what you shot. Okay?
Pressure. If we spend a ball because we are playing to the limit, that's okay. Pressure on defense.
We are in the game, 3 minutes 43. We are in the game to win this game. Okay, but we need to recover the energy. Okay, recover the energy.